How to confirm the authenticity of an Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you all know, the authenticity of an Android device can be confirmed by the IMEI number. So you can check your IMEI number on your device itself. So what you need to do is just go to your phone or dial pad, and then over here on the dial pad just tap on star hash and then 06 and then hash. So as you tap on that, you will be able to see your device information from your IMEI number to your ICCID number, your serial number, and so on. So you just have to check this number with your IMEI number and the device information provided on the box of the device that you've bought. So just check on it if they are same or not. So this will confirm if your Android phone is authentic or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.